Good morning to all my students. Myself Samiuddin Ansari. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 3rd book. As you know, I was teaching you this chapter, The Pied Piper 2. Today I will complete this chapter, The Pied Piper 2. Okay? The Pied Piper 2 I was teaching. That day I completed till here. Today I will start from here. The children went laughing and talking, drawn by the music of the piper up the mountainside. All of a sudden, the door of a magic cave opened. So the children were laughing and they were talking. Okay, by hearing, and they were walking behind the Pied Piper by hearing the music of the Pied Piper, and they were going to the mountainside. And all of a sudden, the door of a magic cave, it got opened. In walked the piper with the children behind him. The door closed and they disappeared. So the Pied Piper went inside the cave, and the children also followed him, and the door closed, and all got disappeared. Disappeared means they got vanished or lost. The Pied Piper and the children got lost. Only one small boy was left behind. He was lame and was not able to walk as fast as the others. So only a small boy who was left behind was not able to went inside the cave. Okay, you can see in the picture, small boy was not able to go. He was lame. He was lame means he was not able to walk easily. Okay, because some illness was there or injury, so he was not able to walk as fast as the others. So he was not able to walk fast with others as the others walk because of his illness. All the parents rushed to the dishonest mayor. They shouted, "You greedy man, give us back our children." So all the parents of the children went to the dishonest mayor. Dishonest means untrustworthy. Okay, who you can't trust anybody. That is called dishonest. Okay, they shouted, "You greedy man, give us back our children." Means they shouted at the mayor and said, "You greedy man." Greedy man means want more and more something which one does not need. They said, "Give us back our children." The mayor sent his servant north, south, east and west. He offered to pay the piper as much as gold as he wanted if he could bring back the children. So the mayor sent his servant, okay, in north direction, south direction, east direction and west, and he offered to pay the piper as much gold as he was wanted. He said that how much gold you want, I will give you. Okay, bring back the children. So he was offering how much gold the piper was wanting. He was ready to give, but he wanted the children to be back. Alas, the piper was never seen again. So the piper was not able to. They was not able to seen again. Okay, in that town. Many years later, when the lame boy used to tell this story, he would say, "The music stopped and I stood still and found myself outside the hill." So many years later, when the lame boy he was used to tell the story, he would say. So many years after, the lame boy was telling the story, and he would say like this way, "When the music got stopped, I stand still." Okay, music stopped, I stand still and found myself. I was in the outside the hill. I found myself when the music stopped. So that's all. So your homework will be, you will write this chapter question answer, EFGH. Okay, that's all.